Hi guys, this my relaxer day is going to blow your mind. You can't believe what happened. We did this relaxer in the salon and you cannot believe the outcome. Just keep on watching. Yeah, so hi guys, we are prepping our hair for relaxer. We are sectioning the hair and making sure that the new growth is not that tangled up, and then we are going to use a cream containing petroleum jelly. As always, if you've been following me, you know that we coat our already relaxed hair with a cream containing petroleum jelly. You can use Blue Magic. I see people use that. I think that contains petroleum jelly, but this cream is what I have. It's kind of a rasta kind of cream, but it has petroleum jelly in it, so I felt it was good. It helped me on my first relaxer, so I didn't think twice about having it again on my second relaxer. So we are just prepping the hair, coating the already relaxed hair so that the already relaxed hair doesn't get processed again. We do not want over processed hair in this relaxer day. This is our second relaxer on the channel, so please, we are almost 18 weeks post relaxer, which is 4 months 2 weeks, I guess. Yeah, so that's it. We have a huge amount of new growth, so we are probably ready for a relaxer. So this is exactly how you should be relaxing your hair. You need to coat your already relaxed hair with any cream containing petroleum jelly before you relax your hair. So this time we are relaxing our hair in the salon. My sister was quite busy and didn't get the opportunity to relax my hair. From me and myself, I really have not gathered that vim to relax my hair myself, so I had to take the risk, looking at the risks involved in going to the salon and all that. You're not going to get stuff like you do it yourself, so you're just going to see what really happened. The amount of hair I lost. I'm even crying over shedded hair all the time. Like in my other video, I was telling you that I'm having a lot of shedding these days, and so we are going to treat shedding. But the amount of hair I lost in the salon, we can't see. So we are in the salon now. We are in the fire. So it's not really fire, but you just won't get it as you want it. So we had already smeared our edges with some shea butter and everything, so the hair was ready for a relaxer. Yeah, so she started putting in the cream. I hated the fact that she started from my front hair. Why would you apply relaxer straight from my front part? But what can you say? You're in the salon. So my new growth was also very thick, so she just kept on removing it with her hands, and I was going through a lot of pains. But I had mentally prepared myself for a lot of mess in my hair, so I was just praying that I don't lose extremely a lot of hair. So I was just seated there while she applied the relaxer to my hair. So she told me the 3 packs I brought wouldn't be enough, so she had to add another pack. She told me it's the cream that works and not the energy of the the hairdresser. But for my 6 months relaxer, I used just 3 packs, and my sister did that for me. It was not too much cream, so I don't know what she was trying to say. So she kept on applying the cream to every part of my new growth. I told her not to bring the relaxer to my already relaxed hair, but she didn't listen. That is why I coated my hair with the cream before coming. I knew something like this would happen. Yeah, she didn't listen to me, and then she kept on applying the relaxer to my already relaxed hair. What could I have done? I just kept quiet. She she went in with the comb for the first part, and then it was really paining me, so I really couldn't take a footage of it. So that was it. So we got to shampooing, where she used her neutralizing shampoo to wash my hair for about 3 times. Yeah, so we did that. We conditioned, and I sat there for a while, and then she washed it off. So we just went through the normal wash day routine. Like, that's what I always do. So we're conditioning now, and this is how she was conditioning. So she gave me a towel to cover my hair. It was like some kind of steam or some kind of heat she was trying to give. So we sat there for a while, and then I told her to just wash it off. This is not giving me any amount of heat, and I couldn't have asked her to put me in the dryer or something. Maybe she would have, but I felt I shouldn't. So we washed it off, and now we are about to put in our leave-in conditioner. So she was just finger detangling to make sure that there are no knots. So the leave-in conditioner was placed in my hair, and she was combing my hair in sections. Right now you can see the amount of hair I lost. I just took a part or a piece of my hair I lost there. So while she was combing, I was losing a lot of hair as well. I told her to use a white comb, but she decided to use this kind of comb to just break my hair. So I just left her to do what she wants. Like, she wanted to tell me that she has full control of my hair right now, and my whatever I was saying is not a point. Yeah, so she kept on combing and combing and combing, and you can't imagine the amount of hair I lost as compared to my 6 months relaxer. Doing my hair at home and in the salon. This amount of hair I lost in 6 months. In 6 months relaxer at home. I'm sure you can see. Just check the amount of hair I lost in the salon. What? I was just really bothered. What could I have done? At least I have some hair on my head. I could carry some hair back home. So we just did a roller set. I sat in the dryer for some time, and then I came back home. So I'll see you when I get back home. So if you know, you're aware that I always have a trim on my relaxer day. So I told her to give me a trim take off about 1 inch, some kind of length of my hair, and give my hair a wonderful shape, and she did exactly that. For that, I'll give her 100%. She did it on point. Yeah, so right now we are trimming the hair, but she was trying to shape it so that she's gonna get a good cut from me. So she got a wonderful cut from me, and I loved it. I really was expecting that she would cut more than she did, but it was just okay. She did a professional cut. That one, thumbs up to her. She's the best. But for the relaxing, I really didn't like it, but it really relaxed well. But you're going to relax the hair excessively, and I really didn't like that. So we are done with the cut, and then we are going to do our roller set, and then that we get back home after our hair is fully dried. So not making the video so long, I'll see you when I'm done. So please, if you've not subscribed at this point, make it a point to subscribe to our channel so that you will be able to follow us through the hair journey, and also turn on the post notification so that you get notified whenever we post anything. So we are back home, and this is how the hair looked. Finally we relaxed our hair after 4 months 2 weeks, and that is 18 weeks. Yeah, so this is how our hair is looking. So healthy, long, bouncy. Yeah, and the ends are so looking good. Yeah, so this is exactly how the relaxer day went. So this is our hair length at the moment. Yeah, the hair is looking so fluffy. I was really loving my hair. So just sit back and enjoy the view. So I had to get a t-shirt, a white t-shirt, so that you guys can see the length clearly, but I don't know if it really appeared well. Yeah, anyway, I was just loving my hair and how much hair I've grown. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. We're gonna have our post relaxer wash day in the next video. So see you guys, bye.